See, there are fewer bachelors that came to do it.